Hi, if you've seen our previous video, you'll probably recognize this. If not, you'll find the link in the description. So this was the first thumbnail idea for the video. But then we, the PowerPoint studio powered by SlideWhizz, thought we can make it even better. So we started over and this is the final result. In this video, we'll show you exactly how we made it. So first, let's go to our previous slide and copy the background and the content. Now let's go to our next slide and paste it here. Let's copy the text here, or let's select the text here, and we can middle align it and adjust the font size. Like that. Now let's delete this word and let's adjust the picture and make it bigger. When we're done, we can go to picture format and crop it according to the size of the slide. Like that. Now let's drag this down a bit. Now what we need to do here is select this from our previous slide and copy it, the PNG picture, and paste it on our next slide or on our current slide. Make this PNG bigger. And when we're done, we can crop this PNG as well. Now, what we need to do here is select the background, right click and go to format picture, and you can blur it from the artistic effect. Make sure the radius is 30, and now let's create a text box here. You can change the font color, the font type, and the font size as well. Let's keep the font size at 48. Now let's type here PowerPoint tutorial. Make sure that it stays with just one line, like that. Now let's create another text box here and type another content here. Beginner to pro design. Let's change the font color. Let's change the font type and the font size as well. First, let's change the color to yellow, and let's change the font size as well. Make sure that this stays with just one line as well. Done. Now, what we need to do here is keep a logo of PowerPoint like this one. Now for this one, I downloaded it from Google. Then we can place it here. Now, what we need to do here is duplicate it and keep it on top of the other one like this, and you can select it with the background and send it to back. Now as for this one, let's go to picture format and edit picture. Then you can click on the edit object and you can wait for it to analyze your image, and when you're done you can click on object again and you can click on this portion and you can click on the call out. Now let's save the picture like that. As you can see, everything has been erased except for the selected portion. Now let's create a rectangle here. Now right click on the rectangle and you can go to format shape. Now let's click on gradient fill. Now you can delete these points by dragging them outside like this, and you can change the color. Change this one as well. Let's adjust the transparency to 100% for this one and adjust the direction as well. Now let's remove the line like that. Now let's bring these two to the front like that. Now let's create a line here. Right click on the line and go to format shape. Change the color to white. You can adjust the width and make it smaller and adjust the transparency as well. Now let's close this and you can duplicate it and keep one on top as well. like this. And just like that, your thumbnail is done.